Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to set up app logo into our Android Studio project. So let me show you first of all our logo, and this file it is downloaded from the internet. You can either create your own logo and download from internet free files. Okay, it is totally up to you. So copy this one. Okay. Now go to the file menu, select new. Then you have to go to image asset. After that, you have to inside the path select the your logo. Okay. As you can see, I have paste downloaded. Go to the download folder and our logo it is there. Okay. So select this one. Okay. As you can see, our logo it is showing here. You can adjust its size like this. Okay. Uh, it is not looking good, so make it more smaller like that. Yes, it is now looking perfect. Okay. Now after that, select next. After that, make sure that source set should be main src. If by default it is showing any other directory like that, then please ignore this and set only main src. Okay. Otherwise your logo will not work. Okay. Should select main src in the source set field. Okay. Select main src and now press finish. Okay. To check whether app logo is added or not in your project, so go to the app directory inside manifest. You can check it here. Okay, as you can see, our logo is successfully showing here. And also now go to the your folder project folder where your logo has been added. So open the project from here, open in explorer. Okay. Now then go to the resource and inside uh, this resource file, as you can see, all the map folders are your for logo. Okay, so check it one by one. As you can see, our logo is present here. You can simply remove this one because we not need, and it is also increasing your website. So just remove this one. Remove. You have to remove only the foreground dot webp. Okay, do not remove this one. Just remove this middle part, middle logo in all the folders. Okay. Now we also not to need this map any DPI uh, folder. Just remove this one also. Okay. Now our logo is working perfect. Like okay, looking good. And also you have to check your logo by running your app whether it is set or not. Let me show you whether our app logo is before it is not set. As you can see, our this is our game hub's names app and there is no logo has been set. So now we have set our logo in our project. So run the app so that we can check whether it is set or not. Okay, it will take some time. As you can see, our app has been launched and logo has been set. Okay, uh, let me show you. As you can see, it is there. Our logo has been set, and when we run our app by clicking on this icon in Android 11 plus devices, you can show a splash screen with this your logo. Okay, let me check this. This is here. Okay, this splash screen is by default showing from Android Studio Google uh, above in Android 11 devices only. Okay. Now, as you can see, our app is working perfectly categories are also working perfectly, and your location API is also working fine, right? And go to the home, and these are games are also are working fine. Okay. I hope you understand how to set app logo. Now this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.